What's up, guys? All right, a moment for these insane peonies. Oh my god. Terribly unprepared. Like, really, I was gonna start filming with that thing in my hair. Magic 8 Ball video starting in 3, 2. A few months ago, I made a video detailing the strategy and my returns on a predictive trading software called the Magic 8 Ball. Clever name, right? I will link that video in the caption and up here somewhere if you're interested in seeing where and why I started adding this trade to my trading plan. If you are a small account day trader and you're still struggling to find consistent profitability, or you're still climbing the mountain of data that I know is out there for beginning day traders, keep watching. I promise you will find some value here. All right, a few things you should know about me before you watch this video. In options credit spread trader, I only trade the ticker symbol SPX. I only trade the time frame 0 DTE, aka same day expiring options. I only trade 3 days a week, and I try to keep my trading super small and super simple. I use small size, usually 10 or less contracts in any one position. And by simple, I mean I only use one order to enter, one order to exit. I don't average into my full position. I don't leg out, keeping it super simple. I made that first video after trading this strategy for a solid 2 months. And now I'm about 9 months in. So I'm going to go over my trading log and results and thoughts, but watch this quick refresher on what the Magic 8 Ball is. It's prediction software created by one of our community members, Brian. I'm linking below his YouTube channel and the free version of this software. So the prediction engine is called the Magic 8 Ball, and it does a lot of things. And if I tried to explain them all, I would do him a disservice. So I'm just going to talk about the things that I actually use it for. Every 30 minutes, the Magic 8 Ball predicts where SPX and other tickers actually may close, the range in which it might trade, and trades suggested according to those values. Okay, so this is basically just 3 steps. At 7:31 Pacific Standard Time, I copy and paste the Magic 8 Ball suggested vertical from Discord to Thinkorswim. They have a copy and paste feature. Of course, you could build it on your own. I send the trade and I wait for a fill. If my order fills, I am only doing one of 2 things. I am buying to close for my profit target, or I'm buying to close for my stop loss. That's literally it. I don't even have to look at the chart. I mean, I'm not a maniac. Of course I look at the chart, but I really don't have to. Okay, how did this work out for me? Let me show you my real money results. All right, friends, welcome to my trading log. She's not fancy, but neither am I. In my first video, I left off on this trade, pretty sure, and it is now May. And so I'll go over these a little bit more slower, but just for context, I'm now in May. I am 76 occurrences in. There's my win rate. I think on my last video is somewhere around $2,000 P&L. And I'm happy to report that I have only had one red month. What month was that? It was March of 2024. So let me just go over kind of like the basics here. You'll see that most of my entry times are right around 7:30 Pacific Standard Time, and that's because the alert posts at 7:30. Average time in trade, I would say, is still about 45 minutes. I'm still trading a really small contract size. Here's my sell to open prices and my buy to close prices. I use a 45-cent profit target and a 1 times the premium received stop loss. So on this day, I had a net loss of $100 per contract. This particular month, and the following month or two, I did try to leave one contract on until expiration, and then I abandoned it. Not because it wasn't profitable, but because I just hated like babysitting that one contract. Generally I'm done day trading the first 2 hours of the market, and then I don't think about the stock market again, and I don't want to. So I sort of gave up that strategy. But if you see like why the contracts are split up like that, that's why. It's because I was leaving one on. What else can I say? I tried to make notes when weird things happened, like on this day, I only got filled for one contract. Why? The market must have been dropping right at 7:38 when I got filled, and only one contract filled. You'll see a lot of these missed one, and that's because, for instance, on this day, the alert posted for 90 cents, and I must have entered either 90 cents or 95 cents or $1, and it just did not pull back to fill me at that price. And so it means that the trade just went straight to profit, that it never pulled back, it just won. And that's fantastic. The problem for me is, this is just me, I am incredibly patient. I mean, obnoxiously patient. Like, I know that there were a couple days where I waited, like this day, I waited 40 minutes to get this fill price. 40 minutes. I know there are other days, because recently I know I waited a long time. Well, look at this day. I waited 2 hours to get filled at this price. Like, that is the level of patience I am talking about. Now, obviously, this did not work out for me many times. I mean, look at how many how much money I lost out on because I was waiting. And sometimes, like, I lose or I miss the trade, like, because of 5 cents. Like, maybe on this day, the spread was $1 and I was asking $1.05. Like, I'm saying it's a fault and flaw of mine for missing a lot of trades, because I ask for a price and I wait for it. I don't chase it. And to me, my mentality is that if I missed it, oh well, like, I'll try again the next day. I'm not chasing. What else can I say? Sometimes I have my contract sizes, because if it's a high risk day, like, that's always something that you should put into practice. If there's a day where I try not to let my emotions get the best of me, but there are just some days, like today. Actually, I did not even enter my trade here. So today I took a half position. It's 23 May, because we made a new all-time high. Let me actually enter the trade here. I'm going to speed this up while I enter it. And also I traded it from my phone. And sometimes when I'm on my phone doing mom duties, I will just... Okay, sorry, I don't know if my sentence got cut off, but like today we made a new all-time high. Oops. And I wasn't even at my desk. So, I don't like stress out about not taking my full position size. If I feel like I need to take a half position, whatever. Today we made a new all-time high. And I absolutely despise trading on days that we make new all-time highs. Today, the new all-time high was 5341. Those are just days you need to exercise caution on, because they can be stressful days. Okay. What else can I say? I don't know what else to say. So hopefully I covered the basics. And if you have any questions, of course, comment below or send me an email. All right, tripod issues. I have to hold my phone. I share my live entries and exits in our Discord community and server called Axe Options. Brian, the creator and a fearless leader, also has his own Discord server, which I will link below. I ain't too proud. I ain't too proud. One last thing I want to say. I think I'm on a new mission to normalize small position sizes, to normalize having a $500 day and not a $10,000 day. It's not normal to have a $10,000 day of profit in the stock market. Do people legitimately do that? Yes, I'm sure, but they also have six-figure accounts. And I'm going to venture to say that you and most people who are searching on YouTube, learning how to day trade, don't have $100,000 to put in any one position. I just want to caution you that you can go broke very quick if you do not temper your expectations and manage your risk. This is a slow crawl in the beginning. I mean, I'm just thinking back to my log. It took me 20 or 30 trades to realize that leaving a contract on until expiration wasn't for me. Not that it wasn't profitable, it just wasn't for me. But it took me months to abandon that idea. Thank you for spending these 15 minutes with me. I welcome your comments and questions. If you have trade specific questions, email me or find me on Instagram. I don't actually spend a lot of time on YouTube. I make videos because a few years ago, I did not know what day trading was. I didn't know that people could make money in 10 minutes in the stock market. I didn't know that you could buy and sell something in one day. I thought the stock market was for building retirement wealth. Then I learned how to use $400 to make $450. And I kept doing that thing over and over. And so I make YouTube videos for that person. Thanks for watching. Bye.